Are you tired of smoothies that taste like a soggy salad? Welcome to the world of Smoothie Blenders, where we transform your blender regrets into delicious sips of joy. In this guide, we'll whisk you away through the best smoothie blenders on the market. Those magical machines that can turn a handful of spinach and a banana into a creamy concoction so delightful, you'll be convinced it's dessert. So grab your favorite glass, and let's blend our way to smoothie bliss. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Ninja BN701 Professional Plus, our pick for best budget smoothie blender. If you thought making smoothies at home was all about splurging on fancy gadgets, prepare to have your mind blown. This Ninja blender proves that you don't need to break the bank to achieve smoothie perfection. After years of wrestling with pricier models, you'll be pleasantly surprised by how effortlessly this little powerhouse tackles the toughest ingredients, like whole frozen strawberries and stubborn chunks of ice. What's the secret sauce, you ask? It's all about those stacked blades that reach high up into the pitcher, ensuring every single ingredient gets blended uniformly. No more pesky lumps lurking at the top. Say goodbye to the days of stopping mid-blend to scrape down the sides. This Ninja has your back. Cleaning up is a breeze, especially if you're lucky enough to have a dishwasher. Just toss in the pitcher and blades, and you're golden. Prefer to go the hand-washing route? Fair warning, those stacked blades can be a little shy when it comes to a thorough scrub. With dimensions of 17.5 by 9.0 by 6.75 inches and a 64-ounce capacity, this blender is ready for your smoothie marathon. It boasts 3 Auto IQ presets for smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice crushing, plus 4 manual speeds for those who love to take full control. Get ready to blend like a pro without the premium price tag. Number 4. Nutribullet Pro, our pick for best personal smoothie blender. If you're on a quest for the ultimate personal smoothie blender, your search ends with the Nutribullet Pro. This sleek champagne beauty packs a punch with a whopping 900 watts of power, ensuring that everything from dense kale to stubborn nuts gets transformed into smooth, sippable goodness in seconds. Forget the complicated machines that feel like they require a degree in engineering to operate. With the Nutribullet Pro, you just load it up, give it a push and twist, and voila! You've got healthy nutrition ready to go. In less than a minute, you can whip up a vibrant smoothie that fuels your busy lifestyle. Because who has time to spend hours in the kitchen, right? And let's talk cleanup. With this blender, you can kiss those tedious scrubbing sessions goodbye. Just twist off the blades, rinse them with soap and water, and toss the cups on the top rack of your dishwasher. Easy peasy, health without the hassle. With the Nutribullet Pro, you're not just blending. You're unlocking the nutritional power of your ingredients, turning everyday foods into superfoods. So, whether you're an on-the-go parent, a fitness fanatic, or just someone who loves a good smoothie, this compact powerhouse is here to make your health journey a whole lot more delicious. Cheers to blending your way to better health. Still searching for the perfect smoothie blender? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Breville BBLL 620SIL Fresh and Furious, our pick for best mid-range smoothie blender. If you're tired of your smoothie adventures turning into chaotic messes or lumpy concoctions, it's time to meet your new kitchen sidekick, the Breville Fresh and Furious. This isn't just a blender. It's your secret weapon for transforming breakfast into a velvety wonderland of greens and fruits. With a dazzling 1,100 watts of power, this beauty boasts 9 one-touch programs and 5 speed settings. Because sometimes you need your smoothie to be whirlwind, while other times it's more of a gentle caress kind of day. Its hemisphere performance ensures even blending, so you don't have to chew your smoothies like a squirrel with a nut. Worried about that pesky air ruining your blend? The Vac Q takes care of it, giving you smoother textures and brighter flavors that'll make your taste buds throw a party. And let's talk about that lid. The Breville Assist lid features a unique ring pull design, so you won't be wrestling with it like it's a stubborn jar of pickles. Quiet and efficient, the Fresh and Furious won't wake the neighbors unless they hear you joyfully slurping down your perfect smoothie. So level up your blending game, because life's too short for chunky smoothies and noisy blenders. Get ready to embrace creamy deliciousness with a dash of flair. Number 2. Vitamix Explorian E310, our pick for best upper mid-range smoothie blender. If you're on the hunt for a smoothie blender that's more than just a pretty face, the Vitamix Explorian E310 is your new best friend in the kitchen. This sleek black powerhouse isn't just a blender, it's a culinary multitasker that can handle everything from silky smoothies to chunky salsas with flair. With 10 variable speeds at your fingertips, you're basically the conductor of your own flavor symphony. Want a super smooth puree? Done! Prefer a heartier texture for your soups? Easy peasy! Its 48-ounce container is just the right size for whipping up family meals without playing Tetris with your countertops. Let's talk about those blades. They're made from hardened stainless steel, ready to tackle even the toughest ingredients. So go ahead, toss in those frozen fruits, leafy greens, or anything else that sounds like a challenge. Your results will be nothing short of glorious. Plus, cleaning? A breeze. Just a drop of dish soap and warm water and voila! Your Vitamix cleans itself faster than you can say delicious smoothie. With the Explorian E310 by your side, you'll be serving up culinary creations like a pro in no time. So why settle for less when you can have an upper mid-range blender that's as tough as it is versatile? Get blending. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Vitamix 5200, our pick for best smoothie blender overall. If smoothies are your idea of a morning miracle, or if you simply crave a flawlessly blended drink any time of day, then the Vitamix 5200 is about to become your blender soulmate. This powerhouse has been whipping up deliciousness for over 5 years in your kitchen, transforming everything from frozen strawberries to protein-packed wonders in just 30 seconds flat. No more encountering those pesky gritty bits. Every sip will be a creamy dream come true. Now let's talk about the real showstopper, cleaning. You simply toss in some warm water and a drop of dish soap, hit that blend button, and voila! It's cleaner than a chef's dreams. Who's got time for hand-washing sharp blades? Not you. Sure, sometimes peanut butter tries to play hardball, but a quick swipe with a sponge or brush keeps it in check. And durability? You bet. Once, in a moment of culinary chaos, you blended with a rogue metal spoon. Don't ask how. But guess what? The Vitamix shrugged it off like a champ. As fellow blender aficionado Litley wisely says, it's not the cheapest, but if smoothies are your daily ritual, it's an investment your future self will applaud every morning. So grab your Vitamix and get ready to blend your way to smoothie greatness, because every morning deserves to start with a sip of bliss. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best smoothie blenders. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which smoothie blender you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.